Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to convert text to speech in ChatGPT. So first of all, you will need to go to the Google. So open any browser on your PC and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in talk to speech on ChatGPT and press enter. This will show you the search result. Now you need to go and tap on this very top link, the extension for the Google. Click open that. So you need to add this extension to the Google Chrome first. Click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Once the extension has been added, you need to go back to the ChatGPT website. So click open a new tab and open the ChatGPT, that is chat.openai.com, and press enter. You need to get logged into the account. Type in your details over here. Click on continue. Type in the password. Click on continue. Now once you are logged in, you will see on the top right hand corner over here the talk to ChatGPT option. You click on start and you need to allow the microphone on your laptop. Click on allow. Then you can go ahead and see the question you want to ask in here. So this is a way how you can convert text to speech on ChatGPT. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Edge channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.